Hey guys, took a little break because I needed to recharge, and I'm still feeling pretty tired, but I decided that you can help when you finish eating, please. Finish eating first, real quick, and then I'll.
After.
Yeah, after, fine. I'm gonna make a gingerbread pear loaf.
Ooh, you gonna make a gingerbread roll?
Gingerbread. Say gingerbread.
Gingerbread?
Pear.
Pear?
Loaf.
Oh.
Yes. That's right.
You gonna make this?
Yeah, it's right here in our, what's it called? Women's Day. I get a lot of recipes from Women's Day magazine because they have some nice holiday themed baked goods. So since this is 24 days of baking, minus one yesterday, I'm gonna take a little break. And then the weekends are gonna be compiled, and that'll be more like a vlog of like the days, and we'll make one thing probably throughout the whole weekend because it's just easier. So left my tripod upstairs, but yeah. So first we need we need our mixing bowls.
Mix.
You can play with that one. I'll use this one. Okay, so first of all,
I think this one.
oops, let me also put this
That's a spoon.
recipe somewhere. I'll put it here for now. I don't know. So we need 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Here's our cinnamon. Can you not bang, please? Because then you won't hear. Excuse me. So I need 1.5 teaspoons. So where's 1 teaspoon? Savannah, please. Now we can't use this because it's dirty. Please, be careful.
And use big spoon.
We're not going to use ones that fell on the floor. This one. Now I need a half. Where's the half? That's 1/4. Don't pick that up, please. That's too heavy for you.
Too heavy.
Yes, and it's glass, so if you drop it, it's going to break.
Oh.
If you want to help, you have to follow directions. It's 1.5. Okay, we're finished with the cinnamon. Here, I'll give you your own mixing stuff.
My own mixing stuff.
Your own measurement stuff.
Measuring stuff.
I might need this. So. Which one fell? I don't even know which one fell. Here.
I can play these.
Yes, in here. No, well, just those. I just gave you the ones in your hand. Those are the ones you play with. Okay?
It's so sticky together.
They come apart. Okay, 3/4 teaspoon ground ginger. We have our Savannah, please.
Okay.
Those are yours to play with, so if you drop them, you have to pick them up. Ginger, 3/4. So where is the 3/4? This is 1/4.
Ginger, go.
Like the way ginger smells. It's gonna make me sneeze. Okay, so 1, 2, 3/4. And we're done with that. We're done with that ginger. You gonna get your whisk? I don't know. Okay, let's see. We don't have molasses, so we're not gonna use that. 1/3 cup packed dark brown sugar. 1/3. Oh, look, I have my whisk too. Ta-da!
We both have one.
Okay, 1/3 cup of sugar. Okay, I'm going to measure in here. You have what's in your bowl to use. Now I gotta pack it, so I have to break it apart. Probably gonna need a little bit more. What are you doing?
Mixing.
Mixing? What are you mixing? Nothing?
Nothing.
You're mixing cloves. Ooh, look at that nice dark brown color.
Don't you get it?
Oh. Sorry. Oh, it's a secret recipe?
Uh-huh.
Oh, sorry. Nothing special, nothing too fancy. Okay, now I'm going to put it in the oven. And 40 minutes. Here we go. Ta-da. And we are ready for that. The mess. The aftermath. Looking forward to cleaning this up. I wanted to show you guys my pad thai, my shrimp pad thai, because it looking delicious. And these are all the ingredients I use. Ooh, drop some on the stove. Fresh cilantro, scallions, trying to regrow them. Some red curry paste thai. I'm gonna add this at the end, peanut satay sauce with the noodles. I haven't soaked them yet. Some mini peppers, some garam masala, some turmeric, some black pepper, salt, paprika, and I think that's everything. Oh, some lime juice, and I'm gonna crush some peanuts, add that on top at the end too as well. Yes, smells delicious. Cannot wait to eat this. I'm so hungry. I didn't eat lunch, I realized. I forgot that I had a piece of pot pie left, but I'm glad I didn't eat it because, you know, I'm gonna be eating a pear loaf, so that's enough. Like breaded things. And this pad thai will fill me up. Okay. So I think it came out pretty good. It's not very sweet, which is interesting, but maybe the molasses is what would have made it sweet. I gotta look up what molasses does. But yeah, this is it. I just put some dairy-free whipped cream.